In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your homepage browser tab title in Shopify. This is the text that appears at the very top of your browser tab when someone visits your store. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference for branding, and it also helps with search engine optimization, or SEO. First, log into your Shopify account and head over to your Shopify dashboard. This is the main admin area where you can manage products, orders, and all your store settings. Make sure you're on the correct store if you manage more than one. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, you'll see a menu. From this menu, click on Online Store. This section controls everything related to how your store appears to visitors, including themes, pages, and navigation. When you're in the Online Store section, look for an option called Preferences and click on it. The Preferences page contains a number of important settings related to your storefront, including your store's SEO and social sharing options. On the Preferences page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Social Sharing Image and SEO. Within this section, you'll see a field called Home Page Title. This is the field that controls what shows up in the browser tab for your homepage, and often what appears as the title in Google search results for your site. Click into the Homepage Title field and type in the title you want to use. A good homepage title usually includes your brand name and a short phrase describing what you sell. For example, you might write something like brand name, handmade jewelry and accessories. Try to keep it clear, concise, and relevant, and avoid making it too long so it doesn't get cut off in the browser or in search results. Just below that, you'll see another field labeled meta description. This is your SEO description. Here, you can write a brief summary of what your store offers. Aim for 1 or 2 short sentences that naturally include a few important keywords related to your products or services. Think of it as a quick pitch that helps convince people to click through to your site when they see it on a search engine. Once you're happy with your homepage title and your meta description, scroll back up or down until you see the Save button. Click Save to apply your changes. After saving, you can open your store in a new tab to confirm that the browser tab now shows